Hey guys, welcome today. My name is Steve with LRM Leasing. We're going to talk about what you should be doing and questions to ask when you pick up your truck from a repair facility. And if you guys remember in a video that I did not long ago was what you should do when you go to a shop. Let's just say that the shop calls and says that your truck is ready for pickup. So when you get there, just don't grab the keys, hop in the truck, pay the bill and go out the door. Ask questions. What was the part that was replaced? Can I see it? What was the problem with it? Find out, ask questions, because more you know about the problem, more you're gonna learn about your truck. You know, knowledge is power. Ask them, all right, this is what failed, this is the reason why. Because if you find out the reason why, you know what those symptoms were. It could be something that you guys can repair yourself if that same issue may occur again to save yourself some money. What I would also do is, you know, especially when you go in there for like a coolant leak or a fuel leak, right? Anytime you open up the fuel system, we're allowing air to get in there. You know, the shop is supposed to prime it, make sure it's completely, you know, try to get as much of the air out and then run the truck. I would like to say that would happen all the time, but what I would do is once they hand you the truck and it's running, turn it off. Wait maybe 5-10 minutes, turn it back on. It should be an easy startup. That would just tell you if it's a fast leak. And then the other thing is when you get the truck, drive it. Drive it for quite a few miles. Don't turn it off. Let the truck get up to temperature and allow that fuel to go through the system. Because what you want to do is get that air all purged out. So when the next day when you fire it up, it should be pretty quick. Now, coolant leak. Let's say you took it in there for, doesn't matter, a hose, radiator, reservoir tank, you know, heater cord, doesn't matter. Anytime you open up the cooling system, air is going inside it. So the truck should be ran. We want to get those up to temperature. And this would be another good fact because I did a video not long ago about the reservoir tank and thermostats when they open up. Get the truck hot enough. You know, you don't have to leave the repair facility right away. Start the truck up, get it up to 200 degrees, turn the AC off, throttle that pedal. Once it gets up to 200, 210, thermostat should be fully open at that time and a lot of the air would go out. So if you see that level drop, turn it off, then have them top it off. Now, if you're in a rush, which that's most of the case, ask the shop for an extra gallon of coolant so you can carry with you. So when you do start driving, you make it down the road, and you see that check engine light, with caution, open it, top it off, and they keep going. Of course, make sure you walk around the truck and make sure there's no coolant leaks on the ground. And that brings up another good point. Anytime you get a repair done at a repair facility, verify that the repair was done. It would just suck that if you leave and you didn't check and it's still doing the same exact problem. I know you guys got those loads and we got to make that money, but it's going to be bad if you're broke down no more than 15, 20 minutes down the road. Take a little time, verify that the repairs were done. Test drive the vehicle, ask questions. When you go to a shop, the technicians should not have blinders. They should see what's going on with the truck. Ask them the question, is there any concerns I should know about my truck for the future? You know, is my tires getting low? I'm starting to see the shocks a little wear down. The brake shoes, you know, how thin are they? Are they getting close to DOT? When you do have that time, you can do the repair yourself or get it into the shop that you trust to save money. So don't just grab the keys and leave. Ask questions, verify, and just do a little lap with the truck to make sure everything's working great before you leave the area. All right guys, so again, this was tips about when picking your truck up from a repair facility after the repairs were done. If you guys like what you saw today, please pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns about what you saw today or anything from being picked up from a repair, leave a comment at the bottom. If you guys want to save money and want more content coming your way, guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, see you in the next video. Good chow.